Welcome to How to Mechanics. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install a wireless remote control switch for your tag axle on a semi-trailer. I will have a link in the description below for this product. Make sure you buy the on-off version. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to find the valve that controls your tag axle. This one can also be overridden by a manual lever. You're going to want to find the wires that are connected to the valve. We're going to be tapping into those wires. But first, we're going to steal power and go to the inside of the trailer. Here are the two wires that originally wired into that solenoid. And what we need to do is we need to find 12-volt power from any source you can find. This trailer is equipped with an electric tarp, so I'm going to steal power from that. If you want, you can also steal power from a trailer light. But on this trailer, that involves opening up a sealed harness, and I do not want to do that. I want this to be wired in so that any truck can hook up to this trailer and have the remote control access. This way, each truck that hooks up doesn't have to have a power cord running to the trailer. I'm going to open up this quick connect harness for the electric tarp power. Then I'm going to take two wires and strip the ends off them a long ways. Twist the wires. And then I'm going to wrap each wire around each post. Make sure that the wires do not touch each other. The reason I'm doing it this way is I do not want to cut into the factory harnesses. You can do yours however you want, you just need 12-volt power. Go ahead and reconnect the harness. This will lock everything together and be sealed tight. Strip off the other end of the wires. And then we're going to shove them through to the outside of the trailer. Next, we need to find out which one's positive and which one's negative. As you can see, I have my leads backwards. You can see it's negative 12 volts. Flip them around and that's positive 12. So I'm going to use a red piece of tape to mark the positive wire. I'm going to use these heat shrinkable butt connectors. This will provide a watertight seal between the connections. Now we're going to take the input side of the switch and install them into the two wires. Then we're going to take the output side of the remote control solenoid and wire that into the tag axle switch. On this one, you're going to have to guess which wire goes where. If it doesn't work, you're going to just have to switch them around. With it all wired in, we're going to go ahead and test the system. Make sure everything is functioning correctly. When I wire these in, I like to make sure when it's off that the tag axle is up. Otherwise, with the other way around, it will be drawing power constantly to that switch. And it could easily drain your whole battery while sitting for a couple weeks. With everything all wrapped up, we're going to go ahead and retest the system and make sure it's working properly. Once again, you want to make sure it's wired in so on is down and off is up. If you enjoyed this video, please check out my channel, How to Mechanics. I work on just about anything and everything, so there's probably a video for you. And with that, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.